Hey, today, Gorilla show you how to undo the spice stew. Now, we start like this. Twisty, twisty, twisty. Fuck! There we go. Unjewed. Now you Jew, I'm Jew. We're all Jew today. Haha. Now just redo it like this. Do, 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 do. Now pretend these are all little angry Jews, mad because you have discovered how to trick the trickster. Well, today has been your lesson. Have a good day. I love you. But don't remember to wipe your ass, because that bacteria can be spread. And then you can create other things. All sorts of things. Love, crafty, and hard is beyond your comprehension.